Okay, now guys, let's begin. In this process, you'll be needing an egg. Crack the tip of the egg, guys, in order to get the egg white into a clean bowl. You don't need the yolk in this process. You will only be needing the egg white.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down?
Step 2, beat the egg white until it appears white and foamy.
We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I we're safe and sound.
Now my beauties, it's time for the application. Apply a thin layer of the egg white with a brush to the desired areas. You can either, apply in your target sections that may be more susceptible to blackens and whitens, like for example your nose, your chin, your forehead. Mostly I get blackheads and whitens on those areas. Or you can even choose to use it as a full mask. I decided to use it as a full face mask.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down?
The next step, guys, you need to grab yourself a piece of tissue paper, and before that, add a thin layer of the egg white, because this egg white dries up pretty fast. So add another thin layer of the egg white, and then cover the area that you've applied the egg white with a tissue paper. And then the next step, just seal in the mask with another layer of the egg white on top, to make sure the tissue paper stick on your face, and also to give it that mask feeling effect.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next.
You guys do not masking the lips, so just find a way to just cut those tiny pieces and leave some some space on your mouth. We are not masking the lips, yeah. And also you need to breathe, so remove those tiny bit of tissues. Yeah, so I'll just repeat the same steps.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I we're safe and sound.
When it comes to my forehead, guys, my forehead is the most problematic area where I get a lot of blackheads and whiteheads. So in this area, on your most problematic areas, just go with 2 layers of tissue. So I just added a white layer of the egg, a layer of the egg white and a tissue, sealed that in. I did this so that I can get that extra hold to make the mask tighten up, so when it comes to peeling it off later, it can get all the whiteheads and the blackheads that are in there.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we?
Okay, now my beauties, so now when it comes to covering your nose, you'll need to cut the tissue into small pieces that will be able to fit your nose. Yeah, just cut the tissue paper into small pieces in order to get the right shapes.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
So my beauties, like I said earlier, my nose is also among the most problematic areas where I get blackheads and whiteheads. So I'm going to add another layer of egg white and also a tissue paper.
Like a time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just...
So now guys, now it was time to take off the mask. At this point, my face was feeling so dry. Yeah, it was feeling so dry. I couldn't smile, I couldn't talk, I could only make faces. So now guys, when it comes to removing your mask, start by peeling the edges. Yeah, start by peeling the edges, to make the removal easy.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I
focus well with the camera because of the lighting. Now I'm using my phone. So these are the blackheads. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me just zoom in so you can see clearly. So now, my beauties, after you've removed the mask, your face will still be feeling dry. Just go and rinse off the egg white. Just rinse off the egg white with lukewarm water, pat dry your face, and then apply your favorite moisturizer, whatever moisturizer that you use. And also don't forget to apply your lip balm, moisturize your lips to complete the whole look. Have you seen, guys? This mask was so easy to make, so easy to apply. Let me know if you'll try it. Let me know if you've ever tried it out. It works. As you've seen, it has removed all my whiteheads and my blackheads. So yeah, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video is up. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.